Hey guys, Joe with Carmel Car Audio, and today we're working on a 2023 Chevy Silverado 2500. A lot of stuff is going in this vehicle. Let's look at the product and get this on a roll. Alright, so here is all the product that we're putting into this 2023. So what we've got here is a 700.6. We're going to bi-amp the front components. We're going to amplify the rears off of this amplifier here. What we're also going to do is we're going to use a 600.1 to amplify the two shallow tins that are going in the truck box behind. And then on top of everything else, we're going to add a little bit of deadener behind the speakers and in front of the speakers to help give it a little bit more oomph to that mid bass and clarity to those mids and highs. So let's go ahead, get this unpackaged, get it pre-wired, get it into the vehicle, and show you a little bit of that process. Alright guys, so we've got the doors off, we got the speakers pulled out, but you may have noticed that we've got a 6x9 in the front door, and we're putting 6.5s in there. It's not going to fit, so we're going to place this speaker aside for the customer to take, in case he ever wants to sell the vehicle, he can put these back in. But what we're going to do is we're going to figure out where we want this placed, and we're going to build a custom bracket for this speaker to go into this hole and completely seal that airspace. So we have found the location for the amplifier. It's going to go underneath this passenger seat. We're actually going to put the sub amp underneath the driver's seat. Let's take this to the bench, get this pre-wired, get all the wires ran, grounded, power remote, RCA, all that good stuff, and run it to the radio and make our connections. Alright guys, so I've went ahead and pre-wired the 6-channel amplifier, and I've got the mono amplifier pre-wired, ready to be installed in the vehicle. Before I do, I want to talk about the crimp caps. Oh, not crimp caps, sorry. Ferrules. When you go to do your install, look at these ferrules, get them for the correct size wire that you're using. These not only make the install look that much better, but also if I need to service this amplifier for whatever reason, or if I need to swap it out, if I take this out, I don't have a bunch of strands of wires coming out and ruining that connection. This connection is still solid, it's good, it's not coming undone, and I can put it right back in and tighten it down as it was before. This is your factory tweeter. This is the adapter plate that is supposed to replicate the same holes, and we cut and fabricated our own tweeter into it. So we're still able to use factory locations without ruining the integrity of this vehicle. Now that we got the speakers in, I've got tweeter wires ran down. I still have to do that side, run it over, finish the connections here, put all this back together, and then it's time to tune. Alright guys, so we've got the car done. It's a little hard to hear, but I mean right now, doors are closed. We can still hear the music. Let's go ahead and open this up. Behind me, you can obviously hear it. It's loud, it's clear, it's clean. Man, this thing just rocks. It gets with it, and it's a ported box. So guys, if you're looking for something to do on your vehicle, actually, you know what, hold on a second. All right guys, so that's it. This install is done. It sounds clean, it's clear, it's loud. It's a ported box as well. You got 2 tins underneath the back seat with a ported box. It doesn't get much better than that. Unless you're doing a custom box, and at that point, I mean, it can get better. But for prefab, this thing's rocking it. So for a 2023 Chevy Silverado, fronts, rears, sub, 6-channel, monoblock for the subwoofer, it's just flat cool. So if you guys want to get something done for your vehicle, check us out today. Call us, message us, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're here to help. If you have any questions, just hit us up. Until then, you guys